na aliyekuwa jaji mkuu. Bana habari hapa tafadhali. Bana. Wacha waongee.
Sawa.
So we came to hand over access to the police because we don't want to be abducted in the streets. Why should we be afraid of living in our own country? They want to kill us for expressing our right to dissent. It's our right to dissent. We're telling the president, you want dialogue and you're abducting us. Right now, Shad is missing. Ask the president, where's Shad?